Hello, this is Beth Ann Stone with the LMC Office of Planning and Institutional Effectiveness, and this video is for Student Services eLumen Program Review Year 5 Update, Section 3, Vision for Success Goals. Per the introduction video, you already know where to locate and how to access eLumen via the Program Review Year 5 Update Process webpage. Additionally, per the introduction video, you know to ensure your role in eLumen is Department Coordinator and that you've selected the appropriate program or unit you'll be completing the Student Services Year 5 update for in eLumen. Ensuring you've navigated to Strategic Planning, Initiatives, found the link, and selected on your template to open it for Program Review Year 5. For the purpose of these video trainings, I will be utilizing the counseling office. I'm going to scroll down using the scroll bar on the right-hand side of my screen till I reach Section 3, Vision for Success Goals Update. Again, per the introductory video, you were instructed to download your Year 3 Program Review Report and the Student Services eLumen Program Review Year 5 Guide. Make sure you have those open and available, as the guide will help provide you with instructions when you're not watching the video that include screenshots. And the Year 3 report, you'll need to copy and paste and or refer to that information in order to complete this section. The first part of this, we will be entering our Year 3 goals and aligning them with the college's educational master planning goals. To do this, we want to select the little 5 in the box you see here in the title Vision for Success Goals Update. I click on this flag and the following screen will appear. You'll see on the left-hand side the college's educational master planning goals and the columns identified with statuses for modified, in progress, abandoned, and completed. We'll revisit those shortly when we enter in our goal. Using the scroll bar to the right of the smaller screen, I could scroll down and see all the different EMP goals. Now I am ready to start entering my first program goal into my Year 5 update. To do so, I refer back to my Year 3 report. I want to copy and paste my first program goal, goal number 1, by highlighting it with my cursor, right mouse click, select copy. Now I'm going to paste it into my eLumen Year 5 template. After reviewing my goals, I see that I want to select goal number 4. To copy and paste my goal in there, I want to select the box that says Align Action underneath goal number 4. Once I do that, the following screen appears. I want to select Create New Action. And then I'm going to copy my goal into the text box under Recommended Action by positioning my cursor in there. I select Control V, and that will paste my goal under Recommended Action. I'm now ready to enter in my action steps. I simply hit Return, type in Action Steps, and now I revisit my Year 3 report to copy and paste the action steps into the text. I'm at my Year 3 report. I see my action steps associated with my program goal 1. I highlight the text I want to copy, right mouse click, copy it, and then I'm ready to return to my eLumen Year 5 template to paste it. If any of these action steps have been modified or changed, I could simply use my cursor, similar to a Word document, take out what I don't need, and type in what I'd like to add. Once I am done copying, pasting, and or revising my action steps, I hit Return to select a new line. I type in Timeline, and I'm now ready to enter my timeline from my Year 3 report. I'm now at my Year 3 report. I see I've identified a timeline of spring 2020 on forward. I highlight it, right mouse click, select copy, and I'm ready to return to my eLumen Year 5 report to paste this information into the update. I'm back at my eLumen template. I position my cursor appropriately. I select Control V to paste that. I make any revisions I would like to my timeline. Hit Enter to select a new line. Type in responsible parties. And I'm ready to enter in the responsible parties for my Year 3 update. I see my responsible parties. I highlight the text I would like to copy. Right mouse click, select copy, revisit my eLumen Year 5 template to paste. I'm at my Year 5 template in eLumen, position my cursor appropriately, select Control V to paste the information, and adjust it if it's needed. Now I'm ready to select what type of action my goal is. There are 3 options to choose from. More detailed definitions are provided in the user guides. However, for the purpose of this instructional video, I'll provide you with a brief definition for each of these types. Reflection refers to reviewing or revisiting a previous activity, project, or strategy for the purpose of achieving this goal. Study needed refers to research data, either a district research request that will be entered or an internal programmatic or unit research that has already been done or is in progress, such as survey results, internal quizzes, etc. Program actions is the most commonly used type, as it's a generic definition for goal. After reviewing my action steps and my overall goal, I'm going to select Program Actions. You can see my alignment with goal number 4 of our EMP. Please note, do not select the Add a Resource request. The college will be following our continued resource allocation process, and you can visit the college's Business Services Office website in order to view forms, the budget request database, and the process for submitting resource allocation proposals. Again, please do not select this button, as you will not be able to submit a resource request in eLumen at this time. After I've ensured that I have entered all the information appropriately, I select Add New Action. It will take me back to the screen, and I'm ready to select a current status for my program goal: modified, in progress, abandoned, or completed. I think I'm going to select in progress because my timeline is still in progress. I haven't made any modifications to the goal, and so I do so by clicking on the appropriate box, and once it's highlighted blue, I know I've selected the appropriate status. You're going to want to repeat these steps for each of your program goals. Once you have successfully entered your program review Year 3 goals for your Year 5 alignment with the EMP and provided an appropriate status, you're ready to select Save. Once you do so, you'll be taken back to the previous screen, and you will see an arrow with a number next to it. That's how many goals you have entered for your program or unit that have been aligned with the college's EMP goals. We're now ready to proceed to Section 3A of this template. For Section 3A, you're going to want to summarize your program strategies to increase success for populations identified in LMC's equity plan. Those populations are African American students, foster or former foster youth, low-income students, and students in DSPS. We have also provided a link to the equity plan for your reference. To respond to this question, I want to position my cursor in the text box and begin typing, again, similar to a Word document. Once I've completed entering the text to respond to this, I'm ready to proceed to Section 3B. I use the scroll bar on the right-hand side of my screen and scroll down to Section 3B. For section 3B, you're going to want to align your program review year 3 goals with accreditation and vision for success indicators. Please note you will need to copy this table that is also provided in your eLumen guide as well as in the eLumen 3B text into your response and complete it accordingly. I can copy this table by highlighting it with my cursor. Right mouse click, select copy. Using the scroll bar, I scroll down to the text box for my response for this section and select Control B to insert the table. Please note these rows and columns will adjust as you copy, paste in, or enter text into the cells. The first part I'm going to want to do is refer to my year 3 report and identify my program review year 3 goal that is aligned with accreditation and or vision for success indicators. I see that my program review year 3 goal number 3 I've aligned with accreditation core success indicator. So I'm going to copy and paste this by highlighting it, right mouse click, select copy. Then I'm going back to my eLumen year 5 template to paste it. I'm back at my year 5 eLumen template. Into my response, I position my cursor in the appropriate cell, select Control B to paste my text. Next, I want to refer to my student services guiding principles in order to ensure that it's aligned with the appropriate guiding principle. Once I have determined the appropriate student services guiding principle to align this goal with, I'm ready to proceed to the next cell where I'm going to identify the measure for this goal. I refer back to my year 3 report. I've identified the measure in that report that I've indicated for this goal, so I want to highlight it. Right mouse click, select copy, return to my year 5 eLumen template to paste it. I've ensured my cursor is in the appropriate cell. I select Control B to paste that information. Next, I'm ready to provide a status for this goal. I think this goal is not a new goal as I'm continuing it from year 3. I haven't modified it. I haven't abandoned it. And I definitely haven't completed it yet. So I'm going to indicate this goal is still in progress by typing that information into the appropriate cell. Now I'm ready to go to the next item for this goal, and that's action steps. I'm going to refer to my year 3 report. I see for this goal I've indicated my action steps. I want to highlight it, copy and paste it by selecting it, selecting copy, and reverting back to my eLumen year 5 template to paste. I'm back at my year 5 template. I've ensured my cursor is positioned appropriately. I select Control B to paste my action steps. If there's anything I want to change, I can do so. Again, similar to a Word document. Now I'm ready to go to the next item, which is my timeline. I refer back to my year 3 report. I see my timeline of spring 2020 forward, highlight, and copy and paste that into my year 5 template. Position my cursor in the appropriate cell and select Control B to paste. I want to repeat this step for the responsible parties. Back in my year 3 report, I've selected and copied my responsible parties to paste into my year 5 update in eLumen. I've pasted my responsible parties and I've ensured I made any necessary modifications. I want to repeat this information from my year 3 report into my year 5 update in eLumen for all vision for success and or accreditation indicators that I have aligned program goals with, making sure that I've aligned them with the appropriate student services guiding principles and included timelines and action steps. Once I am done with this section, I am ready to save my draft, and please view the next video on section number 4. To save your draft, you want to click on the Save Draft button underneath this response. Now you are ready to proceed to section 4. Please see the video on assessment, update, and effectiveness.